The lucky one is not the one who has good luck, but the lucky one is the one who is happy about his destiny. Some people hurt us with their own words, and some people by their actions, but the most sadness is when someone ignores himself that you value and he ignores you. Remove it from your life, from your heart, because there is no place for you in his heart. If you forget the shore and move forward, you may find all that was lost. But if you take shore together, then you will ruin the rest of your life with your own hands. So friends, learn to the reconcile at every turn of life, because it is the one who knows it is the identity of the dead. If you have to bow down for a relationship, bow down. But if you have to bow down again and again, then stop. That's nature also very strange. He also hurt us pains and others' happiness hurts too. Friends, the bond is what is good to hide. What is told becomes a spectacle. So don't tell everyone you grieve, your pains, your love. Because people are happy to sprinkle salt on the instead of ointments on the wound. If you do good to people, they start to consider it their rights and your weakness. We become stray and the shadow on time and keeps biting me or little by my own. Who say that man doesn't change color? Tell the truth. On someone's mouth once and see. Friends, this is the bitter truth of life, that problems in our lives are not as big as we take them. We should always remember that the new leaves do not come on the surface without being bitten. So good days not comes without trials and difficulties. Makes the principle of your own life that never ask people for respect, but work so that they will be forced to respect you. Be so busy listening to yourself that you don't have the opportunity to criticize others, and they never complain about not remembering people. Because a person who can forget his God can forget everyone. This is the bitter reality of life. When the time is gone, people forget. For no reason, they make their own cry, which gives light all night. In the morning, people extend it. Always remember that some people will not give you anything but pain, even if you given them everything you want. So please don't waste time and start your life with your own definitions.